Get up! Get up!
What stupid dream was that? Wait. It could be a sign. It could be a warning. I'm not safe here. I'm not safe here.
Now I told you now.
I ask you again. Come here, I'm talking to you. You stand here and listen to me. Are you mad? What did you tell my boyfriend about me?
Leave me alone. I'm not going to repeat myself again. I'm not telling you anything. No, leave me alone.
You are lying. You must tell me what you told us today. Only I'm talking. I'm saying, are you mad? Wait, do you think? Wait, do you think? Wait.
Hey, whoa! Hey, I said man is not around. I'm not there. Stop. Stop. You stop fighting.
Okay, what is happening here?
What is happening? Why are you fighting?
Why are they fighting?
You tell me. You tell me.
You're mad. Why are you fighting?
I don't know.
Talk to me. I'm okay. Why are you fighting? Okay, you don't want to talk to me. No problem. Eh? What I want to tell you, no more fighting in this house. No more fighting.
Yes, Papa. Let me finish between our
Listen,
you will not try this. I'm mad.
What to me about?
Adeze. Ada. Ada. Who is this one? Ada. My love.
Your wife asked me to give you this.
My wife? Where is she? I came back. I didn't see her around. She even left the key on the mouth of the door.
I don't know. She only asked me to give you this.
Alright, thank you. Why would she be dropping me a letter? What is the meaning of this now? Is she mad?
How much?
Okay, I'm on 1,000.
I'll give you 800.
I'm on 1,000, Oga.
My name is not Oga, my name is Long John.
Okay, Long John, sorry, I'm on 1K.
Say Long John.
Long John.
Long John.
Long John.
I'll give you 800.
I'm on 1K, sorry, sir.
800.
I'm on 1K.
I'll give you 800. Give me change. 200.
Yes.
Thank you.
Waka waka baby, get a baby, I love her. Listen to your mommy, Ichikwanya Giro. Listen to your daddy, Adesi Chulachu. Other girls are hunting for suitors.
Walking away from me. I am okay. You have the effrontery to walk away from your mother. Eh? I'm okay. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Eh?
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Why should I be ashamed of myself? Mama, it is very obvious you are supporting Nedi.
Go and marry like your sister Daisy.
Ha! Did I say I will not get married?
God, no.
I will definitely get married, Mama. But you see, first, I will beat Nedi to my satisfaction before I get married.
From the last one, don't touch her again.
I will touch her.
Don't ever touch that girl again in this house.
Beating her until she receives sense. Okay.
Nemo.
You guys look good.
Nemo, you came back without telling us that you're coming back. I hope all is well.
Mama, you should first of all welcome your daughter.
Oh.
I am healthy and beautiful. Welcome me first before the questions.
Oh, you're welcome, my daughter.
Now you've come. We'll carry the bag. Let's go inside. Sister, you're looking so beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you, my beautiful sister. Don't worry. Carry the bag. Let's go inside. Okay. Hey, sister, I hope you bought bread for us. What is bread? My dear, you should grow up. I got things better than breasts. If I no, you will thank me later. Don't
Really?
worry. Carry the bag later. Mama, Mama, let's go. With you. With you. With you. With you. With you. With you. With you.
So my daughter Linda here will assist you.
That's okay, sir.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm fine, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I ask for a favor?
What favor? Go ahead.
The bicycle to your right.
This very one?
Yes. Can I borrow it?
If you want to make use of it, go ahead and make use of it.
I can borrow it?
Yes, but just be mindful of all these crates here.
No. I'm asking of the bicycle.
Yes, I'm with you. I know what you are talking about. The bicycle now.
Yes.
Go ahead and use it.
I can make use of it?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
God will bless you.
Thank you. I have to leave you now.
Okay.
Linda.
Hey,
Papa, I'll be home shortly.
Okay.
Hi. Your name is Linda?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please, can I get some water to drink?
Okay, sir.
Can you buy me some water to drink?
Okay, sir.
Yes. My name is Long John. Why are you smiling?
Nothing, sir.
My name sounds funny?
No, sir.
Call me Long John. Say Long John.
Long John.
Yes. I'll give you some money.
Okay, sir. How many bags, sir?
2 bags.
2.
Of sachet water.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I will be back shortly, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Adanne. Ade is mom. Can you tell us why you left your husband's place?
Papa, a lot has been happening. A lot has gone down the drain. I've been passing through a lot of torments. I've been enduring, Papa. But I said it's high time I stopped before I die. So I decided to come back to this house alive and intact. That is why I'm back.
Adeze, as a matter of fact, I cannot make out anything from what you have just said now.
Can you tell us exactly what happened? Did you quarrel with the young man?
Quarrel is an understatement. In a nutshell, Papa, the marriage is no longer working. Do you understand that? It's no longer working.
Yes, you've not told us anything. What happened?
It is over between Benjamin and I. I know they marry again.
Stop!
Okay.
This is what has come over you. That's the worst problem amongst couples. But the only thing is that it is resolved.
Because you haven't witnessed mine. Mine is heartbreaking. Disheartening.
Do you see Benjamin as a bad person?
He's a terrible man, or you don't know him. Papa, my own is too much. I cannot condone it anymore.
Will you stop this nonsense and stop beating around the bush and tell us exactly what happened between you and Benjamin?
Okay, I'm beating around the bush.
Yes.
I am telling you what I've been passing through in my husband's house. You call it beating around the bush. Maybe when they bring my dead body back to you in this house, you will realize.
God will forbid.
No, God will forbid it. Now you will not accept me the way I am now. It was in when we remember accept. No, you have to go and call Benjamin. If you are so interested that you want to support him against your own daughter, call Benjamin and talk to him and leave me alone.
I will call him.
Adeze, I will slap you now.
Mama, you will not slap me. You will not slap me because slapping me will not solve this situation. Because since you would not want to listen to me,
Adeze,
it must
Adeze,
work.
come back here.
That marriage
You're walking out from your parents, Adeze.
That marriage must work. No matter what anybody thinks about it, I don't care. She cannot bring such disgrace to my family while I'm alive. cannot happen. Now listen to me, woman. Better go to her now and use every diplomacy and tactics to know how you can convince her. Because this very house cannot contain all of us. And I will not allow her to sleep here in the first place this night.
You don't just leave everything for me, maybe because I'm their mother. You are equally a father. You won't leave everything for me. But what has come over my daughter? She's not like this before. Eh?
So where her? Because this house will not accommodate all of us. Follow her. Tell her what I say. What kind of talk? Yes. Imagine. Eh? Tell me which people don't quarrel. Is there safest marriage? You should have better roses. Sometimes difficulties are but people are ready to mend fences and live together. What is happening among? What happened to my daughter? Who hypnotized her? This is not like this.
So we have started having tenants in this village.
What do you mean?
Have you not seen the young man that is occupying Mazio Kolu's brother's house?
As a tenant?
Yes, now.
Ha! Our people should be careful. Oh. No, they should be careful the kind of people they allow in this village. Which one be tenant again? Before you allow in those you under man. Tenant.
Ini Osita, it's good that I saw you here. Thank you for causing trouble between me and my sister.
Nedi, what do you mean by that?
I gave you an information in confidence. You went ahead and told her.
Wait, now let me explain to you now.
Hey, please, there's nothing to explain. I've learnt my lessons. Thank you.
See this overgrown tolo.
Hey! What is she talking about, Osi?
Don't mind this overgrown tolo. It's Butonyumbu. No, because I'm not dating her sister. If she's talking to me, she's warning me. Can you imagine nonsense? Bichao. I beg, continue with what you're telling me. You said the tenant did what?
This man is so jobless. Don't have work. I'm calling you. After. If you like, call from now till tomorrow. I will never pick your call. Useless thing. I said, stop calling me. Are you jobless?
Ade is the woman. I know that this person calling all this while is your husband. And you have bluntly refused to pick his call.
I have bluntly refused to pick the call because I've told you guys so many times that it is done. We are over. The marriage is over between him and I.
You should have picked his call and know what he wants to tell you.
For what?
It's not fair.
When I said I'm done?
It's not done. My daughter, it can never be done.
Okay.
Marriage is not a bed of roses. You understand? But you will endure. You have to endure it. It's not little quarrel you have with your husband. You picked your things and run down to your father's house. It's not done like that. That is not what marriage should be.
I've already told you that I am done with this man. The marriage is no longer working. I don't know how you want me to do it. Should I sing it like a song to you before you understand me? What is this now? How would you leave me alone? Ogini, am I the first to come out from my marriage? Am I?
Adam, Asamo, please. You have to go back to the house, pick your things, and go back to your husband's house. Biko Nwam.
Then you have to force me. You have to force me to go back to where I will die. Mama, I will do no such thing. Mama, leave me alone. You come and force me to do that, Mama.
Hey. What has come over my daughter, Biko? What has come over her? Marriage should be for better, for worse. But just a little quarrel, she left her husband and ran to her father's side. Is it how marriage is supposed to be? Hey! Adenze!
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traveler, fine boy in the village, Long John. Mr. Long John, he came from afar. Long John, he came from city.
I need to think of something to do. I need to start doing something. I really need to get myself busy to avoid any suspicion. That reminds me. I hear the girls in this village are very nice to men. I have to be very careful.
Good morning. You forgot my name. My name is Long John.
Yes.
Long John.
Long John.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, Linda. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is for you. Fruits.
Oh. Thank your father for me.
No, it's not my father that gave them to you. I bought them for you.
Oh. You bought them for me?
Yes.
Wow, wow, wow. Thank you very much. I appreciate.
You're welcome.
Yeah. What can I offer you?
Nothing. Don't bother yourself at all. Yes. Is there something you would want me to help you with?
Something you can help me with. No. Not now. Yes, not now.
Have you mopped the house today?
No, not yet.
Don't worry yourself. I will do it. Just tell me where to get the bucket and mop.
Oh. The bucket and the mop?
Yes.
Oh. You're a very nice girl.
Thank you.
Okay. I'll show you where to find them.
Okay. Let me
Kindly
help
go
you.
inside.
Mr. Long John, he came from afar. Long John, he came from city. Long John, Mr. Traveler.
Why did you come back? One of the man. Mazibekwe. Mankiru, no, good afternoon. Mazibekwe, when did you come back? Ha! The radio is on. This one be like saying a radio. It's like na radio they talk this thing, go be radio. No, it must be TV. This sound is actually here. This sound is not ordinary. This can be radio. This can be radio. This can be TV. This sound is actually here. Mazibeku, chemu nwa ọzọ.
Nedi, I am not ready for your disturbance, so please leave me alone.
Please now, Are you still angry over nothing? Please, forgive me already.
I said please leave me alone. Please, I am begging you.
Okay, please now. Why are you doing like this? Are you not my sister?
Any problem? Okay, if Mama wakes up, tell her I've gone out to see a friend. Okay, I've heard you. Is that how you should answer me? Sorry, I've heard you, sister. No problem, now. People should take care.
Do you know why she came back?
What kind of stupid question is that? I don't know.
I said I'm sorry now.
Can you please leave me alone? There's something I'm thinking right now. Leave me alone, because I'm not in the mood for this way. I'm sorry. I've had you.
Okay. If you say so. I wanted to help you with the vegetables, but I don't know how you feel about it. Okay.
Very good. Here, come. Sit down and continue from where I stopped.
Take it easy now. Look at my body.
Square now, okay. If I finish now, you'll be the first to rush.
At least you don't need to use it to stain my body.
Philo, you needed to see that guy. He is so nice. Guess what?
What?
He gave me 3,000 naira just for cleaning his room and his parlor. And why is it?
A whole 3,000 naira.
I am telling you. I could not believe it myself when he gave it to me.
Hey!
He's even mad at the world. As it stands now, I think I'm beginning to develop interest.
Here! People come and hear. My friend is falling in love with a stranger. Allow me to say the truth now. You are falling in love with a stranger. Look at you, look at your eyes.
Hey, Philo. It does not matter if he is a stranger or not. What matters is that he is a nice man.
I can't wait to see this man that turns you on just by a mere sight. Look at how you're smiling.
Hi.
Nine.
Linda.
Nine, good day.
Thank you, my daughter. How are you?
Papa.
Linda. Yes. Wait, have you seen Long John today?
Yes. I went to his house in the morning.
Good. I will also see you on my way because I have an unfinished discussion with him.
Papa, take care of yourself. Before you come back, the food will be
Yes.
Nine, bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Yanni, who is Long John?
That boy will not die big. It's the same one I was telling you about. That's his name. Long John.
What? What's a funny name? Long John.
His name is very funny, but he's a nice man.
Okay, I can't wait to meet him. Let's see how nice he is.
You know, you will not meet him.
Why?
He is nice, but you will not meet him.
I dance beside his Naka nakwaku Amaloso nadi Natasia Zeba boga Nekwa baby yoku Asinadi sexy and hot Nekwa sisi eko Single asachi Ijengala Onana dia chodi Voice nekwa desa.
Are you talking to me?
My name is Long John, aka Big Daddy. Can I have a word with you?
Are you okay? Are you sure you're fine? You stopped me just to have a word with me. Have you lost your sanity?
But I haven't said anything wrong.
You have said everything. In fact, you have done everything wrong to have stopped me. Don't try this nonsense again with me. Look at him. Stupid man. Fool.
You called me a fool, but I love what I see.
Adeze waka waka baby. Pure pure baby alaba. Listen to your mommy. Ichikwanya kyo. Listen to your daddy. Adeze chulachi. Other girls are hunting for suitors. Negodi, the one you have, you throw it away. Adeze decide. Naga kwaku. Abalosa na di.
Hey, Zibaga!
Where you come from? Benji one.
I got to change it. You're welcome. I got to change it.
We're fine though.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Papa, you both are looking good.
You're looking fine, my son. You okay?
I'll go. No. You're welcome.
Please, let's enter the house.
Okay.
Let's go inside.
In-law, look at you. Mama, even you.
I got to change it.
Ah, babe. So you're telling me you're still with your husband?
Look, what kind of question is that? Please don't get me angry. I already told you that I've left my husband's house. As I'm speaking to you now, I've gone back to the village. I'm now living with my parents.
It's okay. I just want to be sure.
I can't continue to live like this. I mean, I cannot continue to live with a miserable man who cannot be able to provide my primary needs.
Man, you beautiful girl that went to marry a wretched man like that at first place. Okay, feel?
Come on, don't talk like that. Who doesn't make mistakes? We make mistakes. You do, I do. So, I've done it, I'm out, and I'm not going back. Never will I. Well, that is not even it. You promised to give me 100,000 naira, right?
Don't worry, I'm going to make it up 200k. I'm transferring it to you right now.
Wait, you're giving me 200,000 naira now? Hey! Lucky Dube!
Baby.
I trust you, nigga. I know what you can do.
For real?
I trust you.
Come on, let's go chill out.
I know. Lucky.
That's my girl, baby.
Don't be smart, you know.
Adeze, where are you coming back from?
I went to see a friend of mine.
Who is this your friend?
I don't understand though. This one you people are attacking me like this from right and left. What's happened now?
Hi. Adeze, who is this your friend that you've been with since? She's even drunk. A married woman.
Mama, don't spoil things for me. This one, you're just spoiling show for me. I don't tell her, say, I am not married. I am not married anymore. I was before, but not anymore. I am sexily single and searching. I beg go. I'm not the married.
That is, I'm your father. And as far as I'm concerned, you are a married woman. You are still married. And once married, always married. You are not single. At all.
I see, it is not done. Papa, I am back for good to enjoy my life. Please don't put sand for my garrio. We're waiting be all these ones now.
Shut up.
Make una leave me again.
Shut up, Adeze. Adeze!
I know they go anywhere.
Adeze, come and sit down here.
For what? All I want is to just make her just enjoy my life. They drink, they go. Make it just be like saying I only me there for this world. You understand? I dey chop my money be. I go to chop her. If I broke, now my business, it no concern anybody.
Adeze,
She's even working out on us.
you did not even tell her that Benjamin was here.
How am I supposed to tell her when she just... You saw her now working out on us. Huh?
Listen to me. I can't go to Abaginufa.
Oh, my. She's drunk.
Not just that she's drunk, but she looks like she's under some influence. I must find out.
No.
I called it Obanje before, but now it's more than Obanje.
You have to do something. And you have to do it fast.
Hey, I didn't want no.
Go kwa na gear. Nobody go see. Let no to she ngon my ngon jacha ishi ngon dede.
Hey!
Enai. One ya kala.
Let me think, please. Thank you.
I am leaving the house now, okay? Tell him to put the content,
Honey, there's a problem. There's a big problem.
What is it?
I just got a call from my sister that my father was knocked down by a car.
What?
As I speak to you now, he's lying unconscious in the hospital, and the doctor said we must deposit the sum of 250,000 naira before they commence treatment.
What? Why such huge amount of money?
They said he had a fracture in one of his legs.
Hey.
Please, something has to be done. I just need to send the money to them immediately, please.
But you are aware of the money I spent during my father's burial last 2 weeks. I am still here to recover. And my container is at the wharf as we speak.
I understand, honey. I understand you've done a whole lot. But we cannot abandon my father now. We can't. Hey. Please. Yeah?
Well, it's not that I don't want to help your father. But you know the problem
Honey, please now, let's do something, please. It's about life and death, please. I beg you. I beg you.
It's okay. I will send the money to you once I get to the shop, okay?
Thank you, honey. Thank you. God bless you. Please, I'll be expecting it. I need to start going to the hospital.
I'll do it. I'll send it to you.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Honey, what is it? Why are you looking though?
My father has been moved though. Yes, sir.
Your father again?
Yes, sir.
To where?
To another hospital.
But you told me he was...
Yes, he was responding to treatment.
Yes, yesterday when you visited him at the hospital.
Yes, but now they're saying another thing, so they had to move him. Now, the most heartbreaking part of the whole thing is that the new hospital he's been moved into, they are demanding for 300,000 naira. And that was what they told me, that he was responding to treatment. Not until this morning, they said that he wasn't responding anymore, they had to move him. And now the hospital is requesting for the whooping sum of 300,000 naira. How do we even do this again? It's too much. We've been spending a lot. Eh?
It's okay, honey. Eh? Your father is still like a father to me too, so nothing will happen to him.
Yes, but they're demanding for 300,000.
Honey, it's okay. Don't worry. I will send the money to them. Eh?
Okay. You will?
Yes, I will.
Baby, thank you so much. Thank you for all you do for my family and I. We forever remain grateful to you. Thank you.
Honey, come on, stop. It's okay. You're my wife, and it's my duty to make you happy.
I know. But it's not everyone that would do all the things you've been doing.
It's okay. Anything for you, okay?
That means I have to prepare and start going to the hospital.
Okay.
Alright.
Or better still, I will send the money to your account so that you can withdraw on your way going.
Alright, honey. Anyway, thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Hello, honey. Are you back? What is the matter? Why are you crying? Honey, calm down and talk to me so that I can hear you. Okay, you know what? Just calm down, okay? I'm on my way back. Yes, I'm coming right away. Okay. We'll see me. What is the matter? What happened?
I've not been fine, honestly. It's my father.
Your father again? What happened?
He's been moved again.
To where?
From the hospital to the herbalist.
But why the herbalist?
Because he has been at the hospital and they haven't done anything to make him better. Rather, it's getting worse. So one of the staff advised us to take him to the herbalist. On getting there, the man demanded that we deposit the sum of 500,000 naira. 500,000. I mean, it's quite huge. I don't know. I don't even know how to go about it.
500,000? That money is too much.
It is. It is. Like, if I am it is.
The problem is that I don't have such amount of money now. Eh? My agent just called me that my containers has been seized at the wharf.
What did you say?
My agent just called that my container has been seized at the wharf.
Your container seized? For what?
Well, I don't know. I have called in to verify the problem, and I'm still waiting for his call.
Hey! What sort of temptation is this now? Eh? Honey, I know you have tried though. I know you have really, really tried, but you cannot abandon us now. We have to find a way and solve the situation. I don't want anything to happen to my father. Eh?
My love, it's okay. Nothing will happen to your father, okay? But I don't know, but I still need this money. Let's just wait for his call. One or two things might still happen, and I will still need the money. Eh?
What sort of temptation is this one? Eh? My father is terribly ill. Your goods seized. How do we solve this now? Oh my God.
Women. So, Adeze could do this to me. After all the money I spent on her father. Eh? Even while I was still spending this money, my containers were seized at the wharf. And yet, she could still treat me this way. Why are women so wicked?
I'll get Benji. Hold on. I'm here to collect my 4,000 naira. The one you collected since last week.
I don't have the money now. Just give me small time. Please, I'll pay you the money.
I know you are going to complain. I know. See, there is an emergency and I need to travel to my hometown right now. Please, I need the money. I need it.
Tina, see, it's not as if I'm asking you not to travel. But the problem is that I don't have the money at home now. Okay? Why don't you borrow from somebody?
Huh?
Yes, I will pay you back the money when I have, so that you can pay back.
What kind of talk is that? Meaning, what kind of talk is that? You don't even know how to talk. Please, I need it. I will not take it from you. I need that money. By the time I will go inside and come back, I need that money.
The problem is that I will not be at home. By the time you come back and knock, I won't be at home. Even if you call my line, it will tell you not to reach it.
No problem. Let me go inside and come back. I will enter inside and pack all your things and go and sell. I will not take it from you.
I dare say inside is Naka Nakwaku. Abalosanadi. Nata say Beba Boga. Nekwa baby Yoko. Asinadi sexy and hot. Never see single and searching. Ijengala. Banana dear Jody. Voice in the past desert. Asinadi sexy and hot. Never see single and searching. Ijengala. Banana dear Jody.
Hello? Yeah, how far? Can you hear me? How far now? I've been expecting your call. What's going on? Listen, do this thing for me now. You know I don't have time.
I should call you back next week. Okay. Please be fast about it. I need this in urgently, please. I don't have time now. Okay. On Tuesday. Okay, I'll call you on Tuesday. I'll call you on Tuesday.
He can hide disguise, mana. You can disguise, no hiding place for him. You can disguise, man. Time to pay back, pay back. No hiding place, no hiding place. Pay back, pay back. You can run, but you cannot hide away. This is time to pay back, to pay back. Long time. Long time. You can disguise, man. He can hide disguise, man. You can disguise, man. No hiding place for him. You can disguise, man. It's time to pay back, pay back. No hiding place, no hiding place. Pay back, pay back. You can run, but you cannot hide away. This is time to pay back, to pay back. Long long, long, long John. Long John. Long, 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 long John. Long, long John. Apatania no so. You can disguise. Man, onyamume puga. Onyamume puga. Apatania no so. He can hide. Disguise. Mana. Apatania no so. You can disguise. Man, onyamume puga. Onyamume puga. Apatania no so. No hiding place for him. Apatania no so. Apatania no so. You can disguise. Man, onyamume puga. Onyamume puga. Apatania no so.
Linda, you mean he stays in this big house alone?
Yes, so. My father decided to give it to him after consulting my uncle, so that he can at least keep the compound clean.
Don't you think that is dangerous? Your father doesn't even know him. What? Giving someone whom your father does not know a house could be dangerous, you know.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning! How are you?
Fine.
Who is this? Is this your friend or your sister?
She is my friend, and her name is Philomena.
Good morning, sir.
Philomena. Wow, 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 wow. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Call me Long John.
Okay, sir. Okay, Long John.
Say Long John.
Long John.
Long John.
Long John.
Linda, bring her into my chambers at once. Wow, wow, wow.
Long
wow.
John.
How do you see him?
He's fine. He's fine. Yellow Popo. Long John.
Yes. Long John. Let's go in.
Could not.
It's good a thing you never reached me on the phone, because I wouldn't have answered you. Which husband? Did I tell you I'm still married? Yeah. Oh.
Adeze, will you shut up and stop talking when your father is talking? And now, when your name?
And what do you name, Mama? Mama, leave me now. What is all this?
Adeze, bear in mind that Benjamin is your husband. You must go back to him.
Papa, he is not my husband. As far as I'm concerned, I'm done with him. It is not my business, oh. It is none of my business what he has chosen to do. But you should just leave me alone. As far as I'm concerned, I have nothing with him. You should stop coming here.
Benjamin was here. And he told us everything you have been doing in his house. Including going after men. different men for that matter.
Oh, because I'm not here. He told you that and you believed him. Anyway, I don't even blame him. He has always been a blatant liar. He will come here and tell you lies and you believe. That is your business. I have told you times with that number. I don't want to have anything to do with that man. He's not just a liar, but he's everything bad. Adeze, you are provoking me. I will slap you. Bayola, slap me now. Slapping me will not change anything. I will always say the truth and defend myself.
Adeze, are you crazy? Are you insane? Is it because I allow you to step your feet in this house? Okuya? If I had known, I would have allowed your father to chase you out of this house. Mama kwagi also. Ibonyara.
Ezunne.
Nine.
Stop. Because you are the cause of all this. I never wanted to allow her stay with us here. Whether she likes it or not, she's going back to her husband. Whether she likes it or not.